Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workforce Workshop. I'm your host Chiraz Kelly, and today we're diving into a trend that's reshaping the future of hiring micro-credentials. In a world where skills are evolving faster than ever, traditional degrees are no longer the only path to career success. Enter micro-credentials digital badges from platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn, and others that are fast-tracking talent and changing how recruiters evaluate candidates. In this video, we'll explore why micro-credentials are gaining traction, how they're verified, and why they're a game changer for hiring in 2025. Let's get started. What are micro-credentials? First, let's break down what micro-credentials are. Micro-credentials are bite-sized certifications that validate specific skills or competencies. Unlike traditional degrees, which can take years to complete, micro-credentials are often earned through short courses, workshops, or online programs. These credentials are typically represented as digital badges, which can be displayed on resumes, LinkedIn profiles, or personal websites. They cover a wide range of topics, from technical skills like coding and data analysis to soft skills like leadership and communication. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, edX, and Udemy have made it easier than ever to earn micro-credentials, offering courses from top universities and industry leaders. This accessibility is one of the reasons why micro-credentials are becoming so popular. Why micro-credentials are gaining traction? So, why are micro-credentials becoming a big deal? Here are a few key reasons. 1. Speed and flexibility. In today's fast-paced world, not everyone has the time or resources to pursue a traditional degree. Micro-credentials allow learners to acquire new skills quickly and on their own schedule. 2. Relevance. Many traditional degrees focus on theoretical knowledge, which may not always align with the practical skills employers need. Micro-credentials, on the other hand, are often designed in collaboration with industry experts, ensuring they're relevant to current job market demands. 3. Cost effectiveness. Earning a micro-credential is often much more affordable than pursuing a degree. This makes it an attractive option for career changers, recent graduates, and professionals looking to upskill. 4. Demonstrated skills. Micro-credentials provide concrete proof of a candidate's abilities. Instead of just listing skills on a resume, candidates can showcase digital badges that verify their expertise. 5. Lifelong learning. As industries evolve, continuous learning is becoming essential. Micro-credentials encourage a culture of lifelong learning, helping professionals stay competitive in their fields. How recruiters are using micro-credentials. Recruiters are increasingly recognizing the value of micro-credentials. Here's how they're incorporating them into the hiring process. 1. Screening candidates. Micro-credentials can help recruiters quickly identify candidates with the specific skills they're looking for. For example, if a job requires expertise in Python programming, a candidate with a verified Python badge from Coursera might stand out. 2. Filling skill gaps. Many companies are using micro-credentials to address skill gaps within their workforce. By encouraging employees to earn relevant badges, they can upskill their teams without the need for lengthy training programs. 3. Diversifying talent pools. Micro-credentials open doors for candidates who may not have traditional degrees but have demonstrated their skills through alternative pathways. This helps companies tap into a more diverse talent pool. 4. Streamlining hiring. With micro-credentials, recruiters can reduce the time spent verifying skills. Instead of relying solely on resumes or interviews, they can trust verified badges to confirm a candidate's abilities. How micro-credentials are verified. One of the biggest concerns about micro-credentials is verification. How can employers be sure that a badge represents real skills? Here's how verification works. 1. Issuer reputation. Micro-credentials from reputable platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or edX are more likely to be trusted. These platforms partner with top universities and industry leaders to ensure the quality of their courses. 2. Blockchain technology. Some platforms use blockchain to verify the authenticity of digital badges. This ensures that the credential can't be falsified and provides a transparent record of the candidate's achievements. 3. Skill assessments. Many micro-credential programs include assessments or projects that test a candidate's skills. These assessments are often reviewed by experts, adding another layer of credibility. 4. Employer partnerships. Some companies are partnering with micro-credential platforms to create custom badges that align with their specific needs. These badges are highly trusted because they're tailored to the employer's requirements. Why micro-credentials are a game changer for 2025. As we look ahead to 2025, micro-credentials are set to play an even bigger role in hiring. Here's why. 1. Rapid skill evolution. With technology advancing at an unprecedented pace, the skills needed for many jobs are constantly changing. Micro-credentials allow professionals to stay up to date without committing to long-term programs. 2. Employer demand. Companies are increasingly prioritizing skills over degrees. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, 50% of all employees will need reskilling by 2025. Micro-credentials are a practical way to meet this demand. 3. Global accessibility. Micro-credentials are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, making them a powerful tool for leveling the playing field. This is especially important in regions where traditional education opportunities are limited. 4. Cost savings for employers. By hiring candidates with micro-credentials, employers can reduce the need for extensive training programs. This not only saves money, but also speeds up the onboarding process. 5. Personalized learning paths. Micro-credentials allow learners to create personalized learning paths that align with their career goals. This flexibility is particularly appealing to younger generations entering the workforce. Challenges and criticisms. While micro-credentials offer many benefits, they're not without challenges. Here are a few criticisms to consider. 1. Oversaturation. With so many platforms offering micro-credentials, it can be hard for employers to determine which ones are credible. 2. Lack of standardization. Unlike traditional degrees, which follow standardized curricula, micro-credentials vary widely in terms of content, duration, and quality. 3. Perceived value. Some employers still prioritize traditional degrees over micro-credentials, viewing them as less rigorous or credible. 4. Skill depth. While micro-credentials are great for learning specific skills, they may not provide the depth of knowledge that a traditional degree offers. Despite these challenges, the growing acceptance of micro-credentials suggests that they're here to stay. As the market matures, we can expect to see more standardization and recognition of their value. How to leverage micro-credentials as a candidate. If you're a candidate looking to stand out in 2025, here's how you can leverage micro-credentials. 1. Identify in-demand skills. Research the skills that are most sought after in your industry and earn micro-credentials that align with them. 2. Showcase your badges. Display your digital badges on your resume, LinkedIn profile, and personal website. Make sure to include details about the skills you've acquired and the platform that issued the badge. 3. Combine with experience. While micro-credentials are valuable, they're most effective when combined with real-world experience. Use your badges to complement your work history, not replace it. 4. Stay updated. The job market is constantly evolving, so make sure to regularly update your skills with new micro-credentials. 5. Network. Use your micro-credentials as a conversation starter during networking events or interviews. They can help demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning. And there you have it. The rise of micro-credentials and why they're reshaping hiring in 2025. From fast-tracking talent to bridging skill gaps, micro-credentials are proving to be a powerful tool for both candidates and employers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts on micro-credentials or share your experiences with earning or hiring based on digital badges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.